Ibotta duplicate cashback issues usually come down to checking your receipt history, confirming whether the same offer was applied twice, and contacting support with the right transaction details. By the end, you'll know how to check for duplicate cashback activity, what information to collect, and what steps to take if your account balance does not look correct. Section 1 is checking your Ibotta activity. Open the Ibotta app and review your earnings history. Look for repeated cashback entries connected to the same receipt, store, or offer. A repeated entry does not always mean cashback was added incorrectly. Compare the details of each transaction before deciding that the cashback was duplicated. Check the receipt date, retailer name, offer details, and cashback amount. If two entries have the same information and both affected your earnings, save screenshots before making changes or contacting support. Your earnings history is the first place to confirm what happened because it shows the activity connected to your account. Section 2 is checking the receipt and offer details. Review the original receipt you submitted through Ibotta. Confirm that the receipt matches the offer you claimed and that you did not accidentally submit the same receipt more than once. If a receipt was submitted multiple times, the duplicate cashback may be connected to repeated receipt activity. Check your submitted receipts and remove any confusion by comparing the dates and purchase information. Also check whether the cashback amount changed after a review or adjustment. Account updates can affect how your earnings appear. Keep any confirmation emails, receipt images, or offer details connected to the transaction. These details make it easier to explain the issue if you need help. Section 3 is contacting Ibotta support. If your account shows the same cashback being credited twice or an incorrect cashback adjustment, contact Ibotta support through the app. Include your account information, retailer name, receipt date, offer details, cashback amount, and screenshots showing the duplicate activity. A detailed support request gives the support team the information needed to review the transaction, without needing to ask for basic details first. Avoid deleting receipt information or removing account details while the issue is being reviewed. Keeping the original information available helps with troubleshooting. The key points are simple. Check your Ibotta earnings history, compare the receipt and offer details, and send clear evidence if support needs to investigate. Your next step is to open Ibotta, review the duplicate cashback entries, and save screenshots of anything that does not match. If this guide helped you fix an Ibotta duplicate cashback issue, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.